video on how I got this look, check my makeup tutorial I just did. But today we're going to be doing an unboxing video for these lashes, the Bomb extensions. So I purchased some lashes from the Bomb extensions. Super bomb. It comes with some lash glue, like this, super pretty. And all you do is put them on your lash, couple coats, pop these bad boys on, and you're good. Like, it's that simple. So these first pair of lashes I'm showing you are called Ari. They're in the style Ari, and there are full lashes. The next style is called Janae. They're semi-full lashes, very nice. The third lashes I have, they are called Violet. Very, very pretty. The last one I purchased is called Kindle. And I love these lashes, very full. And it comes with the lash glue. The lashes that I have on right now are called Janae. I bought 2 of those lashes and I really love them. I absolutely love these lashes. I will be purchasing from them again. If you want to purchase the lashes, I will leave the link in the description box below. Like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Join the family.